Alright, it's October 20th, and starting on my second house, we stripped the whole front yard of all the shrubs in the front, there. I got a new door coming. The door is going to be replaced. Unlock this door. Stripped the dining room. The kitchen is completely gone. Replaced that door so far. This door. All the kitchen cabinets have come out. And foyer. And that door is going to come out. There's all the kitchen cabinets that have come out. Just slide through here. Thank you. And the bathroom has come out. The plumbing guy's going to come in. This floor is going to be stripped. This bathroom has been stripped. Everything. Shower, toilet over there. The doors have been taken out. That door is going to be replaced. Primed all these walls. All the doors have been taken out there. The door has been taken out. Master bedroom. Master bath. Shower's been taken out. All that tub's coming out. That door, all the carpet's going to be replaced.